Hello there. In this tutorial, I will show you how to update your site tagline. It is very easy, so let's do it. First, you need to log into your WordPress admin panel, and under Appearance, you will find Customize. Click on it. On the next screen, on the left-hand side, click Site Info. And here you will find Site Tagline text. Click on it. And from here, you will be able to update the site tagline. Once you make changes, don't forget to click Publish Now to save your changes. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching.